Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of surrender to serve. To surrender our will and to place our destiny in the hands of the universe is to serve something greater than us. It is a very high place to live from. As we let go of the old world reality that has no real connection with energy or how the universe works, we move into a reality of serving and trusting the universe. We master the art of moving out of control. We put the universe in charge and begin to serve it, listening in each moment to what it is asking of us. We may find that what we thought were our real dreams and desires pale in comparison to the endless gifts that we receive from the universe as we trust in its effortless ability to provide for us.
So surrender to serve is a high place to focus your life towards moving to. Surrender and serving, you can apply that to so many things. But essentially what this is that you're looking to serve the universe. So you're looking to serve your highest purpose, your highest possibilities of realizing it coming through you, as a co-creator, and serving it, as in getting out of your own way, because you could feel expansion. It could be calling you, and you feel it in your body to go somewhere, and it mightn't suit your agenda. You got to get on board, and you got to trust it, because that's the adventure. That's the adventure of the process, is moving out of control, because there's so much of us that is in control of ourselves. And I think once we leave our parents, we're like, okay, well, now we're going to do what we want to do. But moving out of control and serving, and it turns things around so that you're working for the universe. That's your employer, and you serve it. So you mightn't like cleaning the toilet, but what if you're serving the universe by cleaning it? It changes it around.
It's like an attitude towards
It's an attitude towards
life.
Yeah, towards everything.
Serving the universe brings many rewards and allows us to live from a place of real inclusion, sensitivity, and the highest form of love.
I feel personally what ended up in my work, and I think it ends up in so many other people's work, is we intuitively we come into the world, and we're in a world of energy as little children, as like up until about 2 years of age. We're completely in energy, and yet we're pulled out of that into the world of rationale, and where we're not really treated as young kids with the respect that they deserve, because they can feel energy. They're put into situations that don't serve them, and they start crying and stuff, and they're told to shut up, rather than, hey, what's up? Oh, look, there's something up with the energy here. Either there's something up with what I'm doing, what we're playing out between us, or the environment that we've put you in. So instead of controlling that magnificence of their energetic bodies and their interpretations of how they're operating within it, we put our frustrations, our control, etc. on it. Now, what happens then is we throw tantrums as kids, and we learn to resist, and that persists. And it can lead to, in my case, I know it caused me to have a life-threatening illness in my mid-20s, So the surrendering and not going with the nose, not going with the contraction, not looking to do it your own way, that's massive, because you can't. You can't fully realize the universe in yourself if you really only rely on yourself, because there's too many blind spots that our minds have. So surrender is massive.
Well said.
Thank you.
The transformational conscious arts and their mastery guides us there.